Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your formation in gameplay of eFootball 2024. So you can choose or pick your best formation for your team here. But before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game and still confusing how you can complete the objective or mission or challenge defense so you can get ton of rewards from this game. And let's get started. Tap the game plan, the green one in the middle. Tap it. So welcome to the game plan or the your squad page. Here you can change formation. As you can see, I'm using 4-3-3 with holding midfielder here. You can change it, but before you change your formation, please learn about the your player position first. You have to learn one by one what position that your player or your team have. So if you choose, for example, he is in right winger, please use him or put him in right position so he can perform best when in the match. So you can change your formation, just tap your club logo. Tap your manager logo here. This one. The third one, formation change. You can change your formation in this page. So if your team contain uh, three best midfielder, three best defender, you can choose the three at the back here, like 3-4-3, or even 5-3-2 if you have a good defender. But if you wanna play best of your winger or play in the flank from the flank, you can choose a traditional 4-4-2 here. Just tap and your formation change. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.